back to our new Police vs. Bikers episode. In this episode you will see some of the angry and some cool cops. We hope that you will like it. So, sit back and enjoy. Let's start.
Pretty good.
So you know the conversation's being audio and visually recorded, man?
Yeah. Is it okay if I record?
Absolutely.
Oh, cool.
You're definitely welcome to. Hey, man, the reason for this stop today is speed.
Oh, okay.
You came across that. Number one, you're riding a little close. Made me concerned, but I said maybe it's gonna pass. So I kind of let that one go, right?
Okay.
You move over, you accelerate. Where I had you pretty much at speeds of 83.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
How fast do you believe you were going?
When I looked down, it said like 70, 75. So
55 zone right there.
Right. I was just trying to get past that truck, so I was kind of like wide open, you know what I mean? So I was like, yeah. Usually.
Man, so many accidents, especially on motorcycles.
Right.
A lot of it has to do with speed, man. I
Okay.
ride through, I know how it is.
Gotcha.
Wanting to ride and wanting to have fun, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Of course, we need to be extra careful because us versus a car,
Right.
it's not gonna work out, you know what I mean?
Gotcha.
I was definitely a little concerned about that, so that's why I want to come over and talk with you. Do you have your license here?
Yeah, I do. I got the registration too. It's in my backpack.
Yeah. If I can see registration and you have proof of insurance as well, I'd love to see that.
Yeah, got that too. There's the license, proof of insurance, and then I got the registration right here.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
No problem.
All right, give me a couple of minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay.
You're being cited for speed, right?
Yeah.
Like I said, when I was coming up, I mean, I got to 83, and you were still not. I was still not catching up.
Okay.
Usually, that's an indication that you're going at least that speed.
Gotcha.
Right? We go over that amount, it's gonna be $100 more for the ticket, right?
Right.
Like I said, I'm trying to be somewhat understanding with you as well, but I just don't want this to result in something bad just because we're trying to get somewhere just a little quicker. You know what I mean?
Right.
I see too much of that, and I just don't want that to happen. So what I have today, you're being presented with a citation. Basically, it's 11 to 20 miles per hour over to the 165. If you wish to contest it, you'll have the opportunity to do so in court on October 28th, 2021.
Okay.
At 9 a.m. at Josephine County Circuit Court. I wrote that information here in the back. I circled that. I circled that's a violation as well. You have a list of options. Completely up to you what you want to do with that. That way,
And so I just gotta like show up to court basically, and then pay the ticket.
once you contest it, you can also go ahead and pay for it with one of these options.
I'm probably not gonna contest it. I'm just gonna.
Completely up to you.
Right. Cause I this is my first speeding ticket on a bike, so I was like, I appreciate like the information.
Yeah, man, and really it's nothing against anybody, against you, nothing like that at all. All it is, it's safety, man. It's really what it comes down to.
Right.
You're on one of the most dangerous highways in the entire nation.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Average 20 deaths per year, mostly related because of speed.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
Of course, when I see that, if I can try and prevent something, I'll be more than happy to do so.
I appreciate it.
All right, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give this to you. Please drive safe.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. $165. Damn it. Alright, it's whatever. I was totally going 100, so. Sorry.
Good morning, sir.
How are you? Can you relax?
Okay.
Okay, I'm pulling you over for the little, you can't change lanes coming through the intersection, okay? 100 feet of the intersection. So I let back no one was coming, but when you do that, you know why you can't do that?
Oh, yeah, in the middle of the intersection, I switched over. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the dangers of doing that, though?
Yes, sir. It's not a line at all. I shouldn't have done that.
Right, so you see all those people lined up at that red light to make that right on red turn?
Yes, sir.
Especially behind a motorcycle. You make that lane change at the last second coming to the intersection,
Mhm.
and that person that is making that right-hand turn thinks it's clear,
Yeah.
and they go to turn, and the last second you make that lane change, and now you're in their lane, and then you hit the back of them, and you're having a bad day.
I see what you're saying, because they're taking the right turn. They totally have the right to take the right turn,
And they think there's nobody coming.
and then I switch over in the middle.
That's why I have to pet peeve in mind, because we get a lot of accidents like that.
I understand. I'm sorry about that. Yes, sir.
You headed to work?
Yes, sir.
You got paperwork?
Yes, sir. It's all in my bag. Is it all right if I get off?
You got, yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Just woke up trying to get everything. Yeah, I think this is it. Or this is. Yeah.
That's your title. You can hang on to that.
Okay.
So what's that top?
That looks like it's just a.
Tag. I'll be right back.
Okay.
You have insurance?
Huh?
You have insurance?
Yeah.
Can you show me proof of it? I'm trying to find on my end. You got nothing on insurance on my end.
On your end?
Yeah. As soon as I see that, you're good to go. I'm about to tell you warnings and all the other crap, but.
Yeah, I should have insurance. Oh no, I canceled it. No, I don't have insurance.
Why not?
No, it's been canceled. Yeah, it's been canceled. Yeah, when I wrecked the motorcycle, I didn't have it for a month, so I canceled it because I bought it like just recently when I bought it, and then
They'll suspend your license for that also. Not have insurance. It's valid right now. I'm saying they will suspend it.
yeah, no, that's my fault. I totally forgot to renew it because I wasn't using the bike, so I totally.
Yeah, especially being on one of these and all that. All right, but.
Yeah, no, and it's cheap. I had it. I'm sorry about that.
Here's what I'm gonna do. So, insurance that's a biggie. I want to get you a ticket for insurance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's ticket's about $109. However,
Damn.
you can get that lowered down to a small fee if you go and show proof of it down to the courthouse.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Instead of giving you like a ticket for all that crap back there, where you either pay it or you go to court and fight it. This is you actually have a way. Once you show me you have valid insurance, they'll reduce it down to like $10.
All right. Thank you.
Give me a minute.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Damn, I should have slowed down, dude.
All right, all set. So you got cited for no insurance earlier this year.
Was that in Yulee? Or no?
I didn't look at the county. It was Florida.
Oh, that was actually on the island. Yes, that was in January.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And they suspended your license for it, and you got your license back.
Yes. Yeah, I just recently got my license back.
Suspended again, is what I'm saying. But
Oh.
it's the same exact thing you're going through as in January, okay?
Oh, really? Oh.
You gotta get proof of that and show them proof, or they'll suspend your license, okay?
Okay. See, they told me they suspended my license for a different reason.
It said failure to pay, but also for that citation, it said that
The original citation?
insurance.
Okay.
That was back in August.
Okay. Oh, see, that was with my car, cause I drove my Mazda, and that's the insurance that was in my bag that I had, the car insurance. I didn't have it updated. I got it updated. I went to go show them the updated insurance. They said it already went to collections, so I just paid it off in collections, and then that's it. So that's a whole different insurance. That's not my bike.
Yeah. So you'll go through the same thing that was this one, but
Okay, I got you. Thank you so much.
be safe, right?
I will. I'll watch my lane changes. I hope you guys have a great day.
I'm doing that thing, and then no insurance.
I'll get that figured out too, sir.
You're put together, bro.
Yes, sir. You too. Thank you. I put my hands up from that last time. He said, you can relax. That's how a cop's supposed to.
Somebody that's had to drive by.
And I'm working part-time right there at the building next door, so.
I thought it was them, yeah.
So, do you know who talked to the owner here?
No, it's just one day I had a guy come out and he was kind of like, man, as long as nobody's doing no burnouts or anything, we don't really care. So I was like, all right, cool, you know what I mean? So I didn't think it was that big of a deal, but I don't know, maybe I can catch somebody or something like that and then we can get some type of written consent so that we can get this dealt
Yeah,
with.
definitely do that. Maybe come here on one of the days that they're open, yeah, then speak to somebody,
Oh, yeah,
get
for
that
sure.
consent. That way, because I know a lot of businesses don't like it, because if y'all get hurt, then it's a liability for them.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Then
kind
they
of
just
a rule for us though. If we get hurt, I mean, if we have guys crashing, we're not gonna.
No, I don't think you guys are, but
Yeah, but-
there's always that one person.
It
And
is.
They don't want to take that chance.
Yeah.
Like I said, I don't want to be that dickhead. I know you guys are just having fun, but I got,
I understand, man. Nah, I get it, bro.
I mean, there's another place if you go right across the street from Third Flag down. There's another building I know they might still be open. Might be Alaska, kind of a bigger parking lot as well.
Any other buildings around
around here that are open to try. And then once you get their written consent, then I have to come back over to show me that, and then I'll leave y'all alone. Okay. Until then, I can't really.
I got you. So we got dip.
Yeah.
You got dip.
Dip like
Chip and dip. No hits.
Like I said, just try the other buildings they might, and then you just get that written consent. That's all I need. That way I can look at it and be like, okay, that's fine, and then I can leave.
And then that'll be cool, like anybody else that show up, like we have it written.
Yeah, as long as you have the consent, then there's no
Yeah,
nothing
and
to
just
do,
take
so.
pictures and send it out. Yeah, man, because the dude, he was really
They be
cool.
coming out here watching and recording this stuff.
Yeah, especially even at the other lot too, bro.
Yeah.
So,
If you guys come back out here again, just again get that consent.
Ligue desce da mão. A mão na cabeça. Vai lá pra calçada.
Só avisar a minha pizzaria aqui, senhor.
Calçada lá, caralho. Com a mão na cabeça. Pode virar de frente.
We came to the end of this episode. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. We read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you want us to do more of these videos. New merch is added on our store, so feel free to check it out. See you in the next episode. Till then, ride safe.